Hi friends and welcome back. Emancipation is our word of the day. Its spell is Emancipation. Emancipation. So let's pronounce with me. Emancipation. Emancipation. Emancipation is a noun. Its meaning is the act of setting free from the power of another, as from slavery, subjection, dependence, or controlling influence, or the state of being thus set free, liberation, used for example, of slaves from bondage, of a person from prejudices, of the mind from superstition, and of a nation from tyranny or subjugation. The word is taken from Latin emancipatus, which means set free from control. Hence, emancipation is being set free from the control of someone or something. Your emancipation from your parents comes when you turn 18 and are legally considered an adult. The word appears most memorably in the Emancipation Proclamation, Abraham Lincoln's order of 1863 that freed the slaves in the U.S. Emancipation can describe any kind of liberation. If you are really chafing under the rigors of practicing from the upcoming game, you and your teammates can go on strike for emancipation from the grueling schedule your coach has decreed. The Urdu meaning of the word is Chutkara, Rehai, Najat, Ya Azadi. Moreover, the words that you can use instead of emancipation are enfranchisement, freeing, liberation, manumission, and deliverance. However, the opposite words for emancipation are enslavement, subjugation, servitude, incarceration, and bondage. Now let's have a look on its usage in sentences. As always, I have 3 examples for you. The first one is, the Civil War came to an end, leaving the slave not only emancipated but endowed with the full dignity of citizenship. The second one is, the early 20th century women's movement fought for the political emancipation of women. And the third one is, the old ideas and the old organizations represented quite the opposite of social emancipation. So that's all for today. Keep practicing the word and keep sharing your views and suggestions with us in the comments below. So see you tomorrow with another amazing word. Stay with us and have a good day.